Hey everyone. In this video we'll be opening up the commander deck for Tidus, or as I like to call him, Tidus, Yuna's Guardian. Counter Blitz. He adds counters and passes them around. When you got the ball, you gotta score. That's a reference to Blitzball. Embark on a journey to Zanarkand alongside Tidus, or Tidus. Yuna's Guardian, cheerful and carefree. An ace Blitzball player in the city of Zanarkand. And 100 card deck, 25 new cards, deck box, 6 double-sided token cards. Yeah, so we're gonna get started with this. I also am doing videos for all the other commander boxes, and as well as this play booster box. So stay tuned to check out what we pull there. Alright, without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, that's everything for this commander deck. Stay tuned for the opening of the remaining commander decks as well as the playtester.